Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 4 to the power of s, we can put into 2 to the power of s to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2 to the power of s. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to 2 to the power of s ln number 2 ds. Because we don't have ln number 2, so we need to divide both sides by ln number 2. So this one we change for u. 2 to the power of s ds, we change for du over ln number 2. About this integration, we change for arc sine of u. And we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.